What's up with it, y'all? Yeah, so my compost bin, it's starting to come together. Spin y'all around. I've been working on this yard. That's a bunch of pallets I'm gonna get rid of. It's gonna free up some space. But walking on a future pond. But my compost bin, I'm sectioning it off. I just added the front slots so you could take them out and have easy access. You can have easy access. They remove. Thing is, I'm doing that because you want to control what side the chickens be on. Like, I might not want them to touch a certain compost, and I'll be able to keep it kind of layered and all together. But yeah, mosquitoes out here biting, y'all. I got on shorts. I'm tripping. But I did spray myself down with some off experiments. I just can't be just destroying all my plants, so I gotta find a better way, a more efficient way, and which gonna probably be turning into oil. Yep, turning into oil. I'm sorry, but I ain't even holding this in my hand. I got it on a stand, and I'm sitting here like I'm gonna add more slots. I'm gonna add more slots around it in the back so they can't just come through. And use this pallet for some more slots. You know, these was free. I mean, I had to go pick them up, so I rented a U-Haul because I had a whole bunch of stuff to go pick up, a whole bunch of pallets. And boom. Got a doghouse I'm building. I'll show y'all that soon. Damn, man. I got to go, y'all. You damn spider. These mosquitoes. Yeah, it's fucking with me. Let y'all see the chickens, though, man. Let y'all see the chickens and shit. I spray it off and they still biting through the off. So that shit don't, hey. Some days it feel like it work, and some days it really, I'm like, damn, they still was biting me. And I sprayed it on and everything, rubbed it on. Look at the chick. They don't care about me right here, y'all. They only care if I walk up on them. Like, hold on now. Now, where we going? Just a couple chickens today. Yeah, the other ones, they somewhere around here. Everybody be finding their little grooves. Where is they at? We got quite a few in here. Look. Alright, I'm out. Dragging my hard work out behind it, and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna take some slots and fill the whole back walls in first, cause I don't want it to go out the backs for sure. Now this side over here, that's cool, cause I can get to it easier. So that'll be the first I fill in. Now before I done it, I could have took them all apart. That's what I should have done. Like they always say, what would you have done to better the project? And it would have been taking them all apart first. A lot of labor. A lot of labor, but remember, these pallets right here was free for me. My other ones wasn't. Okay, so take them apart, and you run the risk of cracking the wood. So you gotta. It's a laborious, tedious thing with older used pallets. But I'm gonna bring them back though for what I need it for right now. Yeah, I'm gonna fill the backs in. I'm trying to think if I should fill the slot in from the front side of it, because they won't be able to get in. I'm gonna figure it out. Give y'all an update when I do it. But simple. I was gonna go with a 3, but that pool gonna be gone. That pool gonna be gone. I'm trying to think how we gonna utilize it somewhere around here. I think I had some potatoes or something growing in it one year. I just grew some radishes. I gotta let y'all see my radishes. My first year growing them, I overcrowded them, but guess what? It's a whole bunch of radishes, you know. And I'll let y'all see that in another video, because this one right here was just about the compost bin. Look at that. Look at that. Scratching and pecking, scratching and pecking. You know. Pooping here and there, breaking it down. Oh! Ah. We got some hell of bugs down here in these woods. But yeah. Alright. Another day. CC's garden. I'm bound. Oh yeah. Once I get rid of that stuff, I'll be able to put. Oh yeah. Yeah. See, I got some plans, and they just slowly but surely coming along, making sure everything right. Yep. Another day.